Hello everyone. Next we are going to make a cute snail. First we're going to make the shell of the snail by using our hand. Then we are going to make its body starting by making the eyes. When it's ready, we are going to detail it even more from between, and then you can color it with any color starting by taking the green color for the eyes and then the pink and red color for the shell. Here we are making this round design with red color on the shell. And then at the end we are using blue color for coloring its body. Next we are going to make Peppa the pig and the dragon along with it. Starting by making his face, we are going to move ahead towards the detailings like eyes, mouth and the ears. Then we're gonna make its body including the legs and the hands. Then we are going to make a cute dragon at the top, starting by making its body as well as eyes and mouth. We're gonna make the hands and legs, then giving it a structure by using these colors. Next, we are going to make a mushroom house starting by using our hand for the structure. We're going to draw the mushrooms on top of it. When it is ready, we are going to detail it even more from the bottom. And now we are going to give our house a structure including the windows and the doors. And then we're going to draw some wooden fencing as well, like you can clearly see in the video. After it's done, you can color it with any color you want as suitable for you, and then you can see your beautiful mushroom house looks so good. Next we are going to make a scenery starting by making a house. First we are going to make the structure of the house, then we're going to move ahead towards the detailings like window, doors and the chimney. Then we're going to draw pathways in front of the house. Then beside the house we are also going to make a tree along with an apple on it. Then we are going to make some birds in the sky, and when it's ready we are going to color it with different colors, or you can use colors as per your preference.